Hello everyone. I'm Sanjay Sargam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my open source journey, my GSoC journey, how to start your open source contributions, and how to get into this GSoC, and how to choose an organization, and after that how to write a good proposal. So I will be discussing and also giving some tips as a GSoC mentor. So in this video, I will be discussing all these things. Before we begin, we need to know about what is open source, right? So open source is basically a code which is openly available, so that anyone can read it, anyone can modify it, anyone can redistribute it. For example, let's take an example. Famous open source softwares like Android, Linux, and VLC media players. So these are the open source projects whose code is easily openly available to into GitHub. So we can use the code, and we can like for example, Android. Let's take an example of Android, right? So many there are many smartphone companies like Realme, Poco, Xiaomi. These companies use this Android open source software, and they build their own UI on the top of this library, and they add some more features into the Android. So in this way, an open source software can be redistributed, but there should be some license. We should agree that. And this is all about open source. And coming to the GSoC thing, GSoC is basically an internship, 3 months long internship provided by Google, where organizations from worldwide come here and participate in this program. And we, as a student or a contributor, we select the organization, and after choosing an organization, we need to choose, there will be say 5 to 7 project ideas in each organization. So we need to select any one project idea, and we need to write a complete proposal. Proposal is basically a Google document which should contain 15 to 20 pages, in which we need to declare all the things, like what you are going, if you are selected in GSoC as a mentee. So you need to declare that how you are going to utilize this 3 months time period, how how you are going to solve a particular task, and how much time you require for a particular task. In the end, I will share my proposal so that you can get an idea, right? So this is all about GSoC, and there are three types of project sizes. One is small, medium, and large. For small, you will get $750 in India, and for medium you will get $1,500, and for large you will get $3,000. So this is all about GSoC, and let's begin. I will like how I got into these open source projects, open source world. So back in 2022, when I was in my second year, I got to know I guess in month of October, I got to know this Hacktoberfest event. In the month of October every year, this program occurs. So this is basically a 1 month long open source program, where this organization, this program encourages students to get into this open source world, start their open source journey. So that's how I got started my journey. And in this program, we need to make 4 PRs in any repository. It can be your friend's repo, it can be large as large code base, right? So I made 4 PRs, and I got some cool specs like one T-shirt and some stickers and all. And after that, I know about GSoC earlier when I was in my first year, but I didn't take more interest on that. So after completing this, one of my senior cracked GSoC, so that's how I got interest and got motivated and inspired from him, and research more about the GSoC in the internet. And and my tech stack is Android, Java, and Kotlin. I do Android development. So I'm just finding the organizations having my tech stack interest. So I found Ankit organization. So I choose this organization, and set up this project locally in my laptop. So to be honest, as a beginner, I took 15 days to just set up this project in my laptop. So it's okay if you are also taking time to just set up this project. Everyone faces the issue, no need to worry about that. And after that, after setting up this project locally in my laptop, so I'm just searching for all issues in repositories, which are like every organization has issues labeled as good first issues or beginner friendly issues. These are the issues which are easy ones, and so that new contributors can start competing and getting better, engage in this organization. We can start competing in this would be better. These are the easy ones. So that's how I started making PR, making understanding the issues, and making the PRs. So I just I will share my PRs and all in coming video. So yeah, I just making the PRs and all. I join their community channel and introduce myself, and mentors are very helpful. They will guide you in each and every step. You just need to ask the question in channel. So yeah, I made PR, and my PR got merged, and that's how I got motivated, and kept contributing in this same organization. And but unfortunately, I started contributing in this organization in October, in 2023, I guess. So but unfortunately, this organization didn't participate in this in 2023. So I got I got uh, I felt bad, and unfortunately I felt bad, and I got demotivated, like that. But I kept contributing, even though it is not participating in this year. So I kept contributing because I'm getting I'm it, like these the projects, the organization is very large, right? So it has the app which I contributing is has 10 million downloads on Play Store. So like having your PR merged in this great organization or project, it's boost your I mean we feel some kind of proud, like that's how I got it. And I kept contributing. 1 year passed. In next year, that is 2024, this organization get participated in 2024, and I chose one of the project area from the list. It has around 5 project areas. I choose one project area according to my interest. So I made a proposal on that. But here chances of me getting selected are higher because I'm contributing in these organizations from the past 1 year. After creating a proposal, a draft proposal, so I sent it for review, this proposal. So mentors added, commented on my proposal, to make the proposal more better. They will add their feedbacks. So after adding their feedbacks, I made some changes according to the feedback. So that's how I improved my proposal, and and finally I sent it for draft. So guess what, I got selected as a GSoC mentee in 2024. So this I will, in coming video I will share how to choose an organization and how to write a great proposal. I will share my proposal too, and some tips will I also give. Like for example, I would say choose at least two or maximum 3 organizations while you are choosing an organization, and make one organization as a primary, and two organizations as secondary. Keep contributing in these organizations parallelly, uh, and while making proposal, make only one proposal at only one project idea. So don't make 2 or 3 proposal idea. Don't stick to only one organization and make a great proposal. And and as a mentor I will give some tips, like you should active in community, help other contributors. Don't take other contributors as a competitors. May help them to and also be active in community and get engaged with mentors and maintainers, and yeah, keep contributing. And so as you can see on the screen, this is a website where you can search organizations, but this is an unofficial website, not an official website, but I prefer to choose this website for selecting an organization, because here you can find more filters compared to the official website. Like here you can filter it by first time organizations. You can see these are the organizations which are participate in 2024 for the first 2025 for the first time. So here in this organization you will find less competition because it is participated for the first time. If your tech stack matches with any one of these 14 organizations, so I would prefer to choose these organizations. And you can filter it out by the year, as you can see, and by categories and by technologies and by topics. So yeah, as of now I will search uh, React Native, tech stack React Native. So let's see how many organizations are there have their code in React Native JavaScript. So yeah, there are 5 organizations. One is Jitsi, Joplin, React Native Elements, Zulip, and Rocket Charge. So as of now, I will choose this organization. I will give an example. As of now, I will be choosing this organization, Jitsi. So after choosing organization, you will find the social media accounts and community channel here. So after choosing an organization, you need to join their community channel from here. You will join the community channel from here. So you need to join this is the community channel of this Jitsi Meet. So after joining this community channel, introduce yourself. Welcome to you just introduce yourself here. Introduce yourself and engage in community. And you will find this side. You will find the project code from here. Just search uh, your organization name, organization name and GitHub. So most of the projects are on GitHub. Rarely you will find the organization which has their code in GitLab. So yeah, this is the organization's page. So yeah, in this way you can choose an organization. So I will show my PRs and all. Will share my PRs, show my PRs like, and also show my first PR which I made in this organization. This is my organization, Android. So yeah. So like I know 75 PRs are merged in this organization. So yeah, I made one first PR in November 10, 2022. So yeah, so this is a PR. Use it val instead of val. I just change the way val to val. That's it. As simple as that. As you can see, I just added these changes. So yeah. So yeah, and also share my proposal. So this is my proposal. I just added the template and added the table of contents and over here why you want to work, I added that, and what are the features you are going to implement, like uh, just convert deck picker screen to have one menu, and these are the issues and the important thing I will show. So this is the important thing where it is. So yeah, this is the timeline. So as you can see here, I mentioned uh, as you can see, I mentioned that for this task I will be going to take 20 hours. So in this and in this week I'm going to work on this task, and this is the time which I required. So in this way you need to mention everything